Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are back to the workbench. It's been a while, well actually maybe not so long, but we have a special task today. One will be to fix the infrared. And no, it's not my shitty programming when I disable it. This one works, but it's not that sensitive as I would like it to be. So I guess we have to open it up and take a look. I guess it will be something with the resistor probably. Maybe we can swap it to some, I don't know, higher, lower value, no idea yet. And then we are back to Chordie. And for this one, this is the Cirque trackpad. So I would like to swap it to Azoteq. I have two Azoteqs somewhere. Okay, we'll be doing this one. This one is 65 millimeters, 65 by, I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't say, but it's TPS65. So I'm gonna swap this one to see how it performs on Chordie. Because I don't think I have used Chordie with this particular sensor for like more than I just like plug it in and see if it works. I think I'd used it with the smaller one, with the 43, if I'm correct. Yeah, but we're gonna try this one. I think I have printed the parts somewhere, so yeah, that should be fun. And after that, okay, I haven't posted my GitHub. I mean, I haven't posted the recent changes for what was that Encoders in Matrix, right? Last time you were working on. I haven't done that because I've been busy yesterday with the overlay on OBS. But that's maybe not that much important at this moment. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, how much time it's gonna take with this one. And maybe finally we can get to this laser sensor. Yeah, this one. Because I think that's the last thing that I would like to check with Chordie before publishing it. So I was hoping to strap it somewhere over here and see how it performs. But first we have to program it in QMK, see if we can read anything out of it, and like how does it even work? I have no idea. I don't think I even read the datasheet. So yeah, that might be fun as well. Lots of possibilities to make the compiler cry. Alright, let's get to work. By the way, how was your Monday and Tuesday? And how is your Wednesday going? Oh, one more screw. Where did it come from? Okay, first we need to check what is the value currently. Okay, 270. Okay, give me a sec. I need to find my resistors. I'm thinking maybe we should install, instead of like trying to find a resistor that will fit, maybe we can just slap a potentiometer on it, but at the same time I'm a little bit too lazy today to swap that. And it's kind of funny because on this one, ay kachaita, okay. Well, I am not using Ergo again. I am aware of this tool, but usually I will just start with keyboard layout editor, and sometimes I will just go straight to CAD to Design Spark Mechanical and just align keys over there. And so the funny thing is that over here we have 511. Not sure if you can see that. And this one works perfectly, and on this end we have what's that? 27, right? And it's kind of laggy. It's not working correctly. Maybe I should give it a try and see how it behaves under oscilloscope, but then we have to solder the ground. Oh yeah, I think these tools are kind of that they work together. I think ErgoGen was like built to cooperate with KLE. I guess I haven't really tried that. I remember it was a like big thing some time ago, but like right now a lot of people is using it, but you don't really see it that much on Reddit or anywhere else. Now it's a great tool from what I can remember. It can even do PCB for you, right? So you just slap the keys the way you want them, and then you just get a fully functional keyboard. Okay, I'll be right back. Need to bring my resistors. Okay, I have a pack over here. Maybe we can try... Okay, not many to choose from. Maybe we can go with 150. Just to be safe, I took 150 and 100. So yeah, just in case 150 is too much. I don't think so. Okay, I guess we should give it a try. Okay, let's see. Okay, how sensitive it is right now. This should be okay. QW, and if I put my finger, okay, Alt Control. Okay, I guess it's quite nice. It's like somewhere around the height of Shift key. It stops. Okay, that should be good. I guess I have saved myself a little bit of work by not going with the potentiometer, but this will be changed in the future because I already know that there are better sensors than this. This is TCRT1000, I think, and for Chordie we have used different ones, I think 1500. They look quite different. It's like a flat unibody thingy, and on this one we have normal diodes. It's an LED diode, infrared diode. It looks like this. So it's quite chunky, and I was always having issues trying to like get them properly to work because I could never find like a good resistor value to make it like just right, because unless you go with the potentiometer, of course then you can adjust. We have potentiometers on the other prototype and they work okay. It's a good thing to adjust the infrared, but yeah, since I will be changing this, I didn't want to bother with the potentiometers on this one. It's very messy. This board is not actually prepared for that, and yeah, I was hoping that maybe I can slap a resistor, which I can. Looks like I can. Looks okay, so should be good. Alright, so let's put it back together and then we can focus on Chordie. Knowing my luck, probably it will stop working shortly after the stream. And there will be at least 2 other things broken. I hope this time around when we connect the Azoteq, the whole keyboard will be still functional, unless last time. And now I have all those resistors for the I2C, so I hope there won't be any issues, just like last time. And that was a very puzzling thing to fix. I think it took like 2 episodes or maybe even more to get around like what could be wrong. A very not fun thing to debug. Okay, seems like I don't have a cover for this one, because the initial plan was to go with Mylar, but it wasn't that good for Cirque, so I might try that, but at the same time would be nice to have the proper cover for it, which was like just PLA. Okay, that's the one. Okay, I wonder if I have it exported. Okay, it's gonna be faster just to export before I find it. Apparently I don't have covers. Of course, shortly before I started the stream, I boot up everything, and long and behold, update for Bamboo. Well, I didn't take the risk before the stream. So, besides, I don't think there is anything major worth updating. Okay, I think we're gonna leave it like that. Let it have some fun. And in the meantime, we can try to swap. It's so convenient right now if I have all those extensions swappable. I can just remove it. And then we have to swap the bottom as well. I think I should remove this resistor for Cirque trackpad. So instead of using SPI for Cirque, I could have it on I2C as well. Like I always have to prepare extra wires while I have, I think I have I2C somewhere over here. Yeah, looks like, okay, so maybe I have not, okay, probably there is no I2C on this one. So I will have to route it. Yeah, but still, usually I will route it either way. So it's better to have it. Okay, I think this ground over here, I'm gonna leave it like that. I think I'm gonna use it for the trackpad, so I don't have to bother with the wires over there. VCC we have over here. Okay, but that one is, okay, that's not the one that we want. So, okay, we have to route VCC because this one, I think it's only 3.3 volts. And from here we gonna have whatever is from USB. So that might be like 4.7, definitely too much. So okay, that's one thing. Yeah, nice to have to route the I2C from the inside. Okay, I shouldn't have put the bottom on. Yeah, just like the rest, I'm gonna route it from here. This one is clock, SCL. This one is data. Like we have all other wires over here. Yeah, I changed the design in the latest. So this one is split and the wire I think goes like this. And we have like separate clock and data on each side, because like this, it doesn't make much sense because you have to route it underneath. And then if you solder this wire, it gets hot, it will melt the enamel on this one or insulation, and yeah, it kind of sucks. So I decided to split it in two. And maybe I will show you later on the CAD. Right, so we need two wires, white and green. Slowly running out of space for all the wires. It doesn't look good. Has the print finished already? Okay, looks like it's done. Oh, cool, cool. I'm gonna pick it up later. It's not needed right now. Yes, and of course we need 3 volts at the same time. I think I'm gonna get it from here. It's also a little bit congested over here, but maybe we can route it, I don't know which way. This way I don't think it can go through. So maybe this way and from the bottom. Oh look, it went through. Nice. It didn't seem like it. It seemed that it might be too tight over there, but there we are. Nice. Well, I hope it's not too short. Well, it looks like it's too short. Okay, looks like over here there's too many wires, and I think I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna route it like this, so it will come out from this side together with I2C. I guess it will be easier. Like over here it's difficult to push it through. Okay, looks like we got all the wires. I think we should check, like, what was the orientation? Was it like this? Or, God forbid, was it the other way around? Then all the wires are too short. Or maybe except for VCC. Okay, so inside we have a config. So this one is off. And this one is on. Anything else? I think we changed the timeout. But I think that was because I couldn't make it work, and we don't have to change that at all. Oh yes, okay. Yeah, that's optional, and it's by default is 10, and I have it over here, 500. We don't need that. Okay, I forgot. Okay, Cirque. All right, I keep forgetting about rules MK. Okay, now it should be fine. So it looks like I remembered correctly. This piece of tape and that is sticking out over here was on the right side, and we should have enough, but then VCC just detached, which is absolutely awesome. Yeah, but those wires I cut too short for sure. Any other wire wants to come off? Okay, looks like not. And too short. I can't attach. God damn it. I knew it. I knew it is gonna be. I knew it is gonna be too short. Well, maybe I should start with the bottom piece and then attach the top. This time around, I can't forget the limiting, the limiter over here. I have it somewhere here, right? I think I should make them bigger so they don't crack like the one that we fixed last time, and might be easier to grab and hold, because like this one is a little bit pain in the ass trying to grab. And I forgot to bevel this edge. That shouldn't be that bad, but I need to get back to it. Okay, shall we give it a try with the Mylar? Maybe we can take a look, because I have a template to cut it out, to cut a piece out of it. And I also have a frame like this. It was kind of meh on the Azoteq. I wonder how it's gonna look like on this one. There's already this adhesive that I haven't removed yet, and this also gives a little bit of space, distance. So it's kind of even okay to use it like that, but still it's a little bit too sensitive. That's why I have, oh, I forgot we need to pick up the cover. Which one did I print? Have I printed the small one? Or have I printed the big one? Oh wow, if I printed the wrong one, let me check. Oh no, it's the correct one, the big one. Yeah, so it's made in a way that it gives a little bit of space between the finger and the sensor. And I tried that before. This one was working kind of okay. But I'm curious, like maybe we can have better tracking with just Mylar and this open frame. Might be interesting. kind of difficult to cut the corners on this. Okay, how's the fit? Okay, it looks like everything is assembled. I'm not too confident about this Mylar thingy. Yeah, but other than that, I think everything is okay. MCU is fixed. Yeah, I guess even if it wasn't, this thing is holding it quite tight. That's okay. Yeah, I guess I would be okay with this amount of screws. How many? 3. So that is still one more than the channel average. That should be fine. It would be nice to hook it up. Okay, how is it? It's not working. This is how it is. I know I can't see the cursor. Okay, finally. It's kind of odd that sometimes the keyboard won't start, like VCC, everything is there, but like there is no output. Oh, it's a little bit slow. Oh, and it can tap. I don't think I want that. Okay, first of all, I would like to make it faster. Was there like a scroll on this thing somewhere? No. Okay, what happened? We have no scroll on this side. Oh, that's unusual. It's a little bit odd because I can't move the stuff. Okay, that's kind of odd. What happened? Why? Okay. I can't click and drag. I can't click, but I can't click and drag, but that makes no sense because it was working okay. Like, it makes no difference than any other keyboard. Okay, let's see if we can disable something. Yeah, but what happened with the scroll? That's even more interesting. It shouldn't happen. Okay, so there is output, but there is no scroll. How come? Oh wait, haven't we changed something last time in Encoders in Matrix? I think we did. But why would it stop working? As usual, instead of pushing forward, we have to debug some stuff that I broke last time. Yeah, probably that is the issue, because we changed something in the encoders in Matrix, and I just flashed the new firmware. I haven't tested. Haven't we tested on some other keyboard, and was it okay? I can't remember. Okay, what is even more interesting is that zoom in. Okay, that's scroll. But we have zoom as well. Okay, so scrolling works, but this encoder doesn't work. And why would that be? But I think we are getting output. Yeah, so something is happening on the matrix when I'm moving it, but somehow it doesn't translate to scroll. That's absolutely Strange. So it looks like the whole processing is okay. And give me a second, guys. Okay, quick chair swap. How is this even possible? And what about left-right scroll? Yeah, so there is definitely output from the matrix, but there is nothing being registered. Well, so at least we know that it works. I mean, mechanically and like from the electronics side, but why it's not picking it up? Yeah, we even have a scroll over here. Mouse wheel up, mouse wheel down. Yeah, the scroll is completely gone. Yeah, so over here we have external. Okay, let's see if zoom works. Maybe over here. Yeah, zoom works, so makes no sense. Why wouldn't the rest work? Because it's the same logic, it's external. It's coming from the QMK module that I just wrote. So if this one works, this one should work as well. Okay, one thing that I have noticed is that there is this pointing stuff. Where was that? Okay, press and hold enabled. What is that? Okay, so by default it's enabled tapping. Okay, let's switch it off. And the right key as well. So it's like 2-finger tap. Okay, so there is no tap anymore. Oh, that didn't fix the scrolling issue. What the hell is happening? That is so weird. Like zoom works no problem, so everything else should be working as well because it's the same module. it goes through the same like functions. It's being sent the same way. And what is even weirder is that we can see like the matrix is changing. It's gonna be over here. No, this one. So you can see that it's depending which way this is up and this is down. So everything should work. Wow, that is so weird. As usual, soldering went smooth, so now we have to mess with this crap. Okay, let me check this on a different PC quickly. Okay, not only it doesn't work, but I also... Yeah, the MCU got loose. I think we have to fix this crap. Holy shit, how is this even possible? So the holder is not good enough, we have to change it. We're gonna do this in a second, but like first, how come? What is happening? Okay, maybe let's try to fix it first, because while it will be printing, we can come back and take a look at the keyboard, what is happening. Yeah, but at this point I have no idea what could be the issue. Okay, so I think we have to make it that it will be grabbing on top. How's the thickness? Okay, so it's like 4 millimeters. Oh, where did I? Okay, MCUs right here. Almost lost it. Okay, and the question is which one is current? The result, there is new, and there's final 2. It looks like final 2 might be the one I'm looking. Or maybe not quite. How about this one? Okay, so that's not the holder, right? Yeah, where did I put the holders? And there is something over here. Okay, that's the one. Okay, let's move it over here. Like this. Right. Okay, so where is Pro Micro? Oh yeah, right. Let's make it a little bit bigger. This one goes to the center. Is it center ready? Okay. Okay, so that's like 4 millimeters, and then on top of that we would like to be able to cap it somehow. Okay, the question is, how can I print that? I think maybe this facing up. That is Pro Micro 2040. Let's make it hold like this. Well, there might be, this angle might be a little bit too big, maybe. Okay, let's see. Well, it's not complaining that it's something bad. Okay, let's print it. What's the worst that can happen? Okay, I need to go and clean the bed. Alright, should be good now. Okay, where were we? On the source code. Why it's not scrolling? That's a mystery today. And it makes absolutely no sense because it's like partially working. The matrix is correct. It looks like it's sending the code as well, because this one works. What the hell? Why is not zoom reset working? Maybe this one doesn't support. How about this side? Okay, this one works. I wonder what's the zoom reset on Visual Studio Code. And I don't know why it's not the same like on a typical browser. Yeah, but that doesn't change a thing because we still have no scroll. Okay, how about maybe we can try a different pointing device. Maybe we can try go back to, what was that? Maybe we can go back to Circuit trackpad. I hope it will be working because it might have some issues that it can't read and the whole keyboard might become unresponsive because of that. Okay, so that's one thing, and over here oh, this is SPI, so maybe it won't affect I2C. So this one is changed, and what else? What else? Okay, config also changed. Okay, should be good. Oh, we have errors. How cool is that? What? Yeah, that is funny because I noticed that sometimes when I change some defines, I will get a compilation error, but then if I do QMK clean and try again, then everything is fine. It makes me wonder like what is happening. Okay, this time it didn't help. I'm not using Azoteq. Why is it complaining about Azoteq? Okay, there might be also an issue with the program that I'm using for syncing those files. Maybe it didn't sync on time. Anyways, it's compiled. Do I have it ready? Yes. Okay, let's send it. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, still no scroll. Okay, this is getting annoying. Okay, I'm not using the callback function. So I should be going from... Should be going from here, right? Oh no, okay, this one. So set matrix on. Yeah, looks like everything is correct. I don't really get it. Well, looks like we are getting all the way to here because the matrix is changed. But somehow it's not being sent to the machine. That is super odd. It makes you wonder because looks like the state oh no, it's being cleaned as well. So there was 1, now we have 0. Okay, it makes absolutely no sense what is happening here. Well, at least the print is done. Okay, also this one, I think we should change it because we are not using this type anymore. But that doesn't affect the way it's working right now. Okay, maybe we can take a look what would happen if I define callback. Okay, leave it like that. So it doesn't matter which encoder, there should be scroll. It's complaining about the type, but what is the type for this? Like, how are other enums? What is the type for enum by default? Should I change this? Instead of having a define, just like a number? Yeah, maybe I should change that, but can it be like an int? I don't think so. Okay, I have a define. Do I? Really? Okay, it says over here, what's that? Oh, it's magnetic encoder. Okay, I was looking at the wrong thing. Why is it complaining about this? Ah, shit. Okay, I changed the wrong one. Yeah, because this one is for magnetic encoder. Holy shit. As usual. Okay, so that would be for magnetic encoder, and if I want to have callback from encoders in matrix. Okay, encoders in matrix update user. That is kind of funny that it's not complaining yet that this function is not defined. Let's see, how about now? Oh yes, okay, so now it's complaining. Okay, so now technically for every encoder, we should get a mouse scroll. Doesn't matter which one is it. Okay, maybe let's add some text just to be sure. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, up, down, cool. So we are reaching. Why won't it? Okay, but there's still no scroll. How come? Like the code wasn't going anywhere. Could it be something with my function over here? Okay, let's do it. Oh, come on, copy. How long does it take? Okay. Holy shit, even QMK tab code is not working here. What the hell happened? How is this even possible? Okay, is this just the mouse issue? Okay, let's take a look now. Okay, so normal keys go through, but no scroll. I don't get it at all. Okay, let's have a kappa light cleanser. Let's attach the holder. Okay, maybe at least this part will be working okay. Looks like we have a good fit. So it will prevent the MCU from like going up when you press on. Okay, now it's rock solid, no movement at all. Yeah. Guess I will have to prepare one more for Raspberry Pico for the long one, because it's meant to fit inside. But I'm afraid this didn't help our issue with scrolling. And at this point I have absolutely no idea what is wrong. The keys go through, everything is okay. Why does this keyboard keeps like lagging at the moment of connection. Oh, come on, work. I can't get it out from the case. Such a nice fit now that it won't come out. Okay, finally. Are we still having issues with I2C on this thing? Because like there is no mouse movement now. Okay, the keyboard. Oh, I just disconnect the whole thing. No wonder there's no movement. What was that? No, come on. Okay, it doesn't seem like the issue that we used to have, because even after unplugging the wire, nothing changed. Okay, what is happening here? Holy shit. Okay, no success. No success today. Let's do quick voltage check. How is it 0? Okay, wrong measurement. Now it should be better. That is still some bullshit value. Okay, 3.3, that is okay. And on this thing, okay, 3.3 as well. So why is not working? And just seconds ago it was okay. Oh yeah, right. I think I know why it's not working, because we disable it. Right. I think it means I should stop the stream very soon. Okay, let's just fix that. Yeah, but still there is no scroll. Like, why? Why there is no scroll? Makes no sense, absolutely. Okay, quick flash. Okay, so the mouse is back. Wow, I thought that we are back to the same issue with I2C. Yeah, but there is still no scroll. Yeah, but I can scroll with the touchpad, but I can't scroll with the keys. No idea what happened here. No idea, absolutely. Okay guys, I think we have to stop on this. I might look into it after the stream. The next stream probably on Friday, but I have something on Friday, so depending how this thing goes, I might be a little bit late or I might not be here at all. So just in case, I won't see you on Friday. Happy weekend, and I will be back on Monday. But if not, then maybe I will see you on Friday as well. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'm kind of really baffled what happened with the scroll. Like, everything looks okay. The keys are being pressed, the matrix is changed. There is output. There is also scroll from other keys as well, but not from this. No idea what's wrong. All right. Thanks for watching, and I guess I will see you in the next one. Not sure when it's gonna be, hopefully soon. And by then, have plenty of rest. See you. Bye bye.